So when you go in to reconcile transactions in the bank, you're given a few options. If you click on here, you can create an invoice because it's expecting income, or you can create expenses. But some of these transactions could be transferring money in and out to a savings account. So if we just move back, we can see that there's only one bank account with the reconcile flag turned on. So if we have a look at the other accounts, and if we edit the savings account, and if we turn on the reconcile flag, click on save, we can now see that we've got two accounts on the system. If we go into Barclays and we go to reconcile these final few transactions, we can see that we have £5,000 going out of this account, and that could be an interbank transaction. The interbank icon appears because it knows that we've got more than one bank account that we're reconciling in the system. So if we click on reconcile again, and we go into the transactions, and we click on the transfer to savings, if we think that this is a transfer to another bank account, we click on this, it'll display the number of active bank accounts. It can see the savings account, and it's picked up that there's an equivalent credit in the savings account. So to reconcile it, we just click on reconcile, and that has disappeared. If we now move back and we go into the savings account, we can see that there's two transactions in here, but there's only one to be reconciled. If we have a look at this, we can see on the reconcile tab, we can see that the transfer to savings that we reconciled as part of the other bank reconciliation process, it's been reflected in this reconciliation process as well. We click back here, we can see transfer from savings, and we can click interbank. It now has picked up our operating account or our current account or business account, and it's found an equivalent transaction in the other bank account. If there's a negative in this account, it'll look for a positive in the other account. So I click on reconcile, and that's how you reconcile transactions to and from different bank accounts. So one thing that does catch people out is the interbank button will not appear in the reconciliation process unless you're reconciling multiple bank accounts, because it wouldn't be relevant if you've only got one bank account. And that's how you reconcile transactions between different bank accounts.